So we have decided to go for a drive again, and this time we're gonna take.
Dad's gonna get it out.
Oh, good. We're gonna take some different roads. We started in Withrow. I will show. There's a little bit of a house right there, and that will be familiar from a previous video. Yeah, we're going for a drive. We've got the wife with us, the kids in the back.
Hi.
And then you can see in the background, there's the yellow Jeep. So yeah, it's winter. As you can see, there's a little bit of snow on the ground. And we're gonna take some different roads that are out here in this flatter country. We're kind of excited because we haven't got to go out for a couple of weeks. And so here we go. Yeah, I tried not to go any further because I didn't want to spook them.
Yeah, they started running at first, but
They were all bed down except for a few, so I didn't know if they were just kind of... So we're taking a look out there on the very edge of the viewpoint here. There is a herd of deer. Last time we were in this area, we ran into a really massive herd of deer, and we were almost chasing them down the road accidentally because they were on the side, but then they jumped onto the road and we were behind them, not going real fast, but it was really cool. I didn't realize this area out here had so much deer, so now we're going to kind of check them out with the drone and see if we can get a little bit of footage of them.
Nathan, look up on your left, on the pole there's a nest.
Nathan that the same thing every time. Your guys' trip though to number 2 canyon, you had deer twice that were shown in the video.
Oh, okay. I forgot about those.
They're having fun.
Do you have that thing where
Good girl. Go. Go. Let's go. Go. Go.
Charger? Or do you just charge it directly to the
Oh, he didn't go down the saucer?
No, it doesn't work.
Oh no.
Look at him.
He's really going.
I told you you have to go on the belly.
You gotta go on your belly. It's actually like a snowboard. That's what it's designed to look, you know, look like a snowboard.
For the sled?
Yeah, for the sled, so they can stand on it and go down. But there's room for them to actually, 2 kids to sit down on it.
Okay.
Do you want to get on there? Okay, you sit down.
No. You don't want to get on the sleds, Christian? Hey, where you going?
This needs waxed or something.
Probably. Yeah, it might need some wax on it. Careful, Zakashin. Wait. Yeah, that one might need some wax. Come here, baby. They're going down. Are you having fun?
Mom.
Are you having fun?
Yes.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
That wiped her out. Oh, she's getting bounced off of it.
She's still going.
Now she rolled off.
My turn.
Push yourself off because you'll just get going. There you go. There he comes. Oh, there he goes.
I realized if it doesn't work for going on your belly, you have to go like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Isn't that funny? They fall off. They both crash at that
Don't
same
get on your
spot every
belly.
time.
I know. I know. There must be a dip or something right there.
Yeah.
There he goes again.
He's trying to pick the snow up.
With his,
Well, I closed the
he doesn't
hands
have
on
any
his-
fingers.
I
Yeah.
closed his hands, yeah.
Wow.
Baba.
Yes. Really?
Yeah, when I fell off.
Are you having-
When I
Are you
fell off
having
the sled, I
fun?
did it.
Sebastian? Chad is trying to figure out what the difference between our 2 Jeeps are. And Dad says, well, our top can come off. Yours can't. Well, what else? She says. They said, well, ours is a Wrangler and yours is a Cherokee.
That you want to know what Cherokee meant? We said, well, it's the name of an Indian tribe. Well, what's it mean? Well, it's the name of an Indian tribe. But what's it mean?
So we just did a nice little loop. We found a few little side roads we hadn't been on before, a few little trails. It was nice because several spots we were making fresh tracks, and we got some good drone footage of following us. So that was pretty nice. It was a pretty nice day as far as what we got for it being super overcast, which is pretty common this time of year. You get a lot of the fog at this elevation, and so distance-wise, you can't see more than maybe a mile ahead of you, but it was still a really nice trip. And what did you think there, hon?
It was fun. We got to see a lot of deer, so that was nice. We don't always see deer when we're out in the hills, so it's always in the flat with sagebrush that we see the deer. It was fun.
All right, well, hey, thanks for watching, and
Please subscribe.
say bye.